Good morning, guys. It is day 7. We've got some things going on. This is going to be a challenge for me today. We're going southbound from Unicoi Gap to Hogpen Gap, which is 14 miles. Not easy access for Dwight to get me somewhere in between that. And the reason why I'm going south is because, by the way, this is the trail that I'm on right now, going up Blue Mountain. So we're going up Blue Mountain right now. I say we, it's always me. Which is my second 4,000 footer. And then we're going to go down to Hogpen Gap. And we're doing it southbound because we got thunderstorms coming in today. And I would like to get this big mountain over with. Okay, so the challenge, 14 miles. The longest I've done is 8.6. So, thunderstorms, chance of thunderstorms all day, high chance after 1 o'clock. I was gathering a lot of intel about this, how the terrain is, because yesterday's terrain was tough. And somebody at Nil Gap, the person who runs Nil Gap, works at Nil Gap, was saying toward the end of the day, since I'm going south, it's the easiest 4 to 5 miles on the AT in Georgia. So I'm looking forward to that. So this is the experiment I was going to do about camping. Decided not to do it. Water's a little iffy. Campgrounds are a little iffy. We've got thunderstorms. It just sounded, I'm okay with doing hard things, but doing stupid things, I'm not okay with. It just sounded kind of stupid since I have Dwight's support. So we're going to push 14 miles. And during that revelation on Blood Mountain, one of the things that God was speaking to me about was just go forward. Just go forward. Like, just do this section. Okay. So here we go. Oh, one more thing. The reward for doing this is I'm taking tomorrow off. So tomorrow's going to be a 0 day. I'm going to rest. I'm going to ice. I'm going to recover. I'm going to eat. I'm going to do laundry, wash these hiking clothes. So that's what I'm going to keep in my mind. Tomorrow's a day off. And I started at 7 o'clock this morning. We were at Unicoi Gap parking lot before the sun was up, just kind of sitting in the car waiting for it. I have been on the trail probably 30 minutes. It was too dark in the forest when I first got started to video. So there you go, 7 o'clock a.m. start. Keep running into these flags. Rework, stop, remove loose rocks and roots. So they're going to rework this area. Trail goes up there. Check out this big root ball. It has to be 7 feet tall and 15 feet wide. It's like a big wall. Wow. Okay, so that big root ball. Thought I'd give you an update. There was no views on the mountain. I am probably close to 2 miles from Blue Mountain Shelter. Like I've passed it. So now, haven't looked at a map. I'm just hiking today. So anyway, I would guess probably 3 or 4 miles in. You know how I was saying the AT is referred to as green tunnel? How's this for a green tunnel? This is cool. This is so cool. I am at my halfway point here at some undesignated campground. And it's almost 12 o'clock. So left at 7, got here a little before 12. And here's my made it halfway reward. Shoes off. I do not drink pop, but I was scrounging around before I left for something to celebrate getting halfway. Found this small can of Dr. Pepper. Tasting pretty good. So it's 12:14. I just enjoyed a wonderful lunch break. Getting ready to jump right on the trail. It's like right here in front of me. And I heard my first thunder. So, I think I'll head it down and see how far I can get before the rain hits. Should be another 5-6 hours at the most of hiking. Well, it's been about 10 minutes since I left my eating place and the rain has started. Oh, here comes somebody. Bye. Well, I just experienced my first Appalachian Trail thunderstorm. Downpoured. 2 hours. I think I did good. Did really good. A few things I'm going to change, but like I put my phone in a Ziploc bag, but you know, I grabbed just a sandwich bag. I need a core bag for that. So, like I said, downpour. Every once in a while it would let up, but then you could hear it coming up the mountain, which was really cool. And the next wave coming up the mountain, so you could like have a little preparation to grab something to drink and a swallow of water and get ready for the next deluge. So the AT became a creek, and there were spots that was probably 2 inches. I know some of it went over my ankle, so that would have been a little bit more than 2 inches. A large part of it, I was either straddling the AT or walking on the side, not because I was trying to keep my feet dry, but because I couldn't see what was underneath the water, where the rocks were, and where to place my feet. So anyway, I am about 2.5 miles from the destination, Hogpen Gap. I just got through talking to hubby. He says he's been watching my pings on my GPS tracker. It goes off every 30 minutes, and those in my family can track my progress. So he's been keeping an eye on me during these thunderstorms. Seems like there was something else I was going to tell you, but I don't know what it is. Oh, so this is supposedly the easiest 4 miles on the Appalachian Trail in Georgia. Maybe I misunderstood him, because I really think the easiest 4 to 5 miles on the Appalachian Trail in Georgia was just north of Low Gap Shelter. That was cruising. Anyway, it's not tough, but compared to what I was on, Also, wise decision. So glad started on the mountain first and headed south. That was the right decision for today. All right. I hear more rain. Bye. Made it. 9 hours and 45 minutes. Resting tomorrow. Bye, guys. I'm glad I'm not sleeping in this.